Welcome to the enlightening world of lasers. Lasers, which stand for light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation, are more than just tools of light. They are a technological revolution that continues to transform multiple industries. These beams, pure in color and unmatched in precision, can cut through thick steel in industrial settings and delicate human tissue in surgical procedures without contact. But what exactly is a laser? It's a device that generates an intense beam of coherent monochromatic light by the stimulated emission of photons from excited atoms or molecules. From the first ruby laser in 1960, which could punch holes in razor blades, to contemporary lasers that can measure the distance to the moon with incredible precision, the evolution of lasers is a testament to human ingenuity. They are employed in everyday applications like scanning your groceries, in cutting-edge medical treatments for cancer, and even in removing tattoos. And let's not forget their role in entertainment, creating stunning light shows that dazzle thousands. As we explore the mechanics behind the magic of lasers, we'll uncover how they work, why they're so effective, and some mind-blowing uses that impact our daily lives and beyond. Stay tuned as we continue to uncover the brilliant world of lasers, shining a light on a technology that shapes our modern world in ways many of us might not even realize.